Good morning, students of 9th standard. Yesterday we have seen some theoretical part of geometry. Today we'll see till BDA midpoint we have seen. Today we'll see comparison of segments. You know very well the length of segment which is more is greater and which is less that is smaller. Next is perpendicularity of the segments or rays. Here one figure is given to you. Okay. Now see, if the lines containing two segments, two rays or a ray and segment are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Then the two segments, two rays or the segment and the ray are said to be perpendicular to each other. Next is distance of a point from a line. Suppose a line is there and point is there. Its distance is always equal to the length of this perpendicular from this line. If a line is in this way, then you can't say the length. If it is perpendicular to this line from this point, then you can say the distance from this line to this line is this length of this perpendicular segment. Okay. Next we will see practice set 1.2. In that following table shows points on the number line are the coordinates. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. In this, here I show points A, B, C, D, E, and here coordinate -3, 5, 2, -7 and 9. First of all, we will find all the lengths of the coordinates here. First of all, segment DE here stood, or length of D we will find. For this, coordinate of D is -7 and coordinate of E is 9. So 9 is greater, so 9 minus in bracket -7. So you will get 9 plus 7 is 16. Next is length of AB. A is -3, B is 5, so 5 minus in bracket -3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Means what we are doing is we are subtracting the smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. Then comes length of BC, B and C. B is greater, so 5 minus 2 is 3. Then comes length of AD. -3 is a bigger one, so -3 minus in bracket -7. -3 plus 7 you will get 4. Then comes length of BE. BE, this is the bigger one, so 9 minus 5 is 4. Then comes length of AD, already we have found. So here what they have told, decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. First of all, segment DE and segment AB. If you see, length of DE and BE, these both are not equal. Length of DE is not equal to length of BE, therefore they are not congruent. Next, question number second is there, BC and AD, segment AD. So BC is a 3 and AD is a 4. They are also not equal. So length of BC is not equal to length of AD. So they are not congruent. Last one is there, third, BE and AD. You will see BE and AD both are same, so length of BE is equal to length of AD. Therefore, segment BE is congruent to segment AD. Like this solution is there, you should write in your notebook. Now we will see question number second. In the question number second, point M is the midpoint Point M is midpoint of segment AB. So you should write here point M is midpoint of segment AB. AB is given to you 8. So you should find length of AM. Length of AM is equal to, or you should write it this way, length of AM is equal to half the length of AB as AM is midpoint. So 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 2 into 8 is 4. Question number 3. Point P is the midpoint of CD. CP is equal to 2.5. Find length of CD. Length of CD is equal to twice length of CP. 2 into 2.5, you will get 5. So in this way, these questions we have solved. Tomorrow we will see question number 4, 5th and 6th. Tomorrow we will complete this exercise. And some theoretical part is there again further, that we will complete tomorrow. Thank you very much. 9th standards, do practice and do homework. What I have given to you. Homework is the previous all theoretical part I have told, and also now these questions which you have solved, that you should solve in your notebook. Thank you very much.